Yo, this is Logic on steroids. We are back. Yo, hit subscribe on this channel right here. Don't go nowhere. Stay right here. Stay your ass right here. Yo, hey, we're gonna get into this wild video. This some wild chick with tattoos on her body running across the world with her top off. I don't know. If you want to watch these videos without no commentary on it, click on this card right here on the top right. Click on the damn thing. All right. Support their channel and also support ours. Hit subscribe. We're gonna get right into it. Let's go.
On May 26, 2025, officers were dispatched after a call reported a woman running topless across an intersection, banging on the hood of a car.
How's it going? Deputy's in with the sheriff's office. Hey, we got a call about a woman running across the intersection. What's going on, ma'am? You got your tops off.
This is my phone. I'm just.
Okay.
He's driving somewhere.
Do you know this woman, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
My boyfriend. It's my husband.
Okay. What happened to you?
Nothing. I just was.
Okay, it's not normal for people to run across the intersection with their top
She
off.
already ain't making no damn sense.
So what happened to you? Why is your face all here? Will you get her out? Will you cover yourself up, though?
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Yes. No, that's his.
Are you okay? You
Yes.
can put your stuff back on.
He said cover myself up.
Yeah. So you're not out here. Just trying to figure out what's going
Well,
on.
my
That's it.
titties are out, but
What's happening?
we just had a baby and nothing's happening.
Okay.
She's whipping out the mother card.
Happy Mother's Day! I'm drunk. It's not drunk. That's the only thing that's happening. I'm fucking.
Hold up. So you just had a baby and you're already acting like a mother, aren't you?
But
Wow.
nothing crazy.
Okay, so what's up with her? Somebody called in, said she jumped out of the car, was beating on the hood of the car and running across
Just want to run around and breastfeed everybody. Like she should have, that's like Oprah being a mom. Milk for everybody.
You guys having an argument or something? Or because you got a scratch on your forehead there.
It's not even us arguing. She's just a little extra too drunk. And each other winded in.
Okay.
But nothing between us. Just
Okay, how'd you get all scratched up?
we were on the boat all day. Okay. Jumping in the water, jumping off this, jumping off that. But yeah, that's I understand. I'm waiting right here, so I knew it was coming because she ran across the street. But
I'm just trying to figure out why.
Nothing happened.
Okay, I just don't understand why
Well,
we're all here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like someone called.
yeah. I got out of the car. I said I want to go to Mermaids, which is down there a little bit further. He said he didn't want to go to Mermaids. I said I'm gonna get out the car and go to Mermaids. I jumped out the car and I started walking.
Yo, put your shirt on. She talking to them topless? She talking to them topless?
He
Wow.
said, "Oh, you're gonna go to Mermaids?" I said, "Yeah, I'm gonna go to Mermaids." That's all that happened. I said, "Okay, cool."
So you just hopped out the car. Was it still driving?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you like fall over?
No. I literally, we were at, I don't know if it's this light or that light, but I hopped and I said, I'm gonna go to Mermaids because I like mermaids. I'm a little drunk. It's my birthday.
Sure.
That's not actually my birthday, but my birthday's on the 4th.
Oh, her birthday.
It's like,
Yo, I'm telling y'all, attention is currency to these bros. It's actual currency. You know what I'm saying? When you hit like on one of these chicks' photos or videos, it does something to them. They live for that.
27th. The next weekend, Sunday, is my birthday weekend. So I said, okay,
Okay.
I'm gonna go out. You know, I don't care what you do. I'm gonna go out. So
Are
I
you guys
said,
heading home and you're like, nah, I want to stay at home, and you just hopped out.
I said, I want to stay home. I want to go out to Mermaids. He said he doesn't want to go. So I said, I'm getting out the fucking car. And I ran across the street.
Okay.
He said, you're tripping. You're crazy.
Sure.
He tried to launch the car across the street. And I said,
No
Trying to
shit.
do what?
he tried to, the car was like going this way. I'm sorry. The
You're
car was
fine.
going this way and he tried to go that way. And I said, you're tripping. But you know, honestly, he's being normal, but he's grown.
Okay.
We've been together for 4 years.
How old are you?
He's 34. He's 33. I'm 23.
Okay.
So he's turning.
So is the car moving while you're?
I jumped out the car.
About how fast, roughly?
1 mile. It was at this light. It came to
So you're
this.
just rolling and you get out.
Yeah, I decided to hop out of the car because I want to go to Mermaids.
So this is all an argument over you wanted to stay out partying.
I want to go to Mermaids. I'm young as fuck. I'm a little, you know,
Okay.
not I'm a little girl, but you know what I'm saying. I'm young.
So just so I'm clear.
So that's the only downside. The only downside of dating a young chick, because they want to still play around, hang with their friends, and do cool shit. You know what I'm saying? They don't know how to be an actual woman, adult, or even a parent. You know what I'm saying? Like a responsible parent.
But you didn't put your hands on him.
No, sir.
He didn't put his hands on you.
No.
He didn't hit you with the car. He didn't
No, sir.
And when I go talk to the people who called in, they're going to say the same thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Did she strike you at any point?
No, she never struck me. We were on the boat today.
Did you strike her? Because she's got injuries on her as well.
Okay. Never. But we were on the boat today. We're on and off the boat, so jumping in, jumping out.
Is this normal for her to run across the intersection like that? Because we had a bunch of people calling in.
It's not normal for her because she's just had a child. So it's been 9 months pretty much like sober in the house.
Yeah,
She
I
hasn't
get
been
it.
drinking much.
I have a 3-month-old. I get it.
She hasn't been drinking much. This is her first time really drinking since her pregnancy.
Okay.
And I feel like she's just so drunk she can't really like bring it back.
She can't wait to go back into those streets. You know what I mean? That's being a mom. Let me go back into the streets. Let me go back and play.
Really like,
Okay.
I really didn't. I didn't want to.
And this ain't a broad that he's just messing with. He's planning on keeping her and all that. I can tell because he's there now.
Across the street.
No, I get
parked
you.
on this side because I was like, okay, well, I already tried to tell her to just get in the car, babe.
We're about to get married in a few months, and we're just nothing. Look, help them, help us.
You got any?
Nothing's going on.
You know any of them?
Yes, he's great.
Oh, is it? Okay, yeah, we're just trying to figure out. Okay.
That's the action going on, but
What's the what?
nothing. Actually, just help
you
us.
said?
Nothing.
Hang out somewhere. You can be honest with me. I don't care.
She's smiling, cheesing at the dude right there. She ain't right. She ain't no good. And I hope she had his baby. And she talking about marrying him. Oh gosh. Dude is doomed.
Nothing's going on. That's what I said.
No, not bad. No, what'd you say about him?
I said I'm not. I said nothing's going on.
You saying shit around him?
No.
No, I thought you said that. I got something in my ear.
I never. No. Actually, no, never. Actually,
Did he treat you well?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Whenever you see a lot of females, you see females with a lot of tattoos on their bodies, you know what I'm saying? Check for slits on their wrists. Dog, I can't tell you the amount of females I've seen with 100 tattoos on their bodies and they have slits all over their wrists. They've been Baker-acted and all types of loony stuff. Their fathers are not in their lives at all.
we actually bought that car.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good.
Actually, yeah.
That's good.
No.
And you guys
That's-
been together for 4 years?
Yeah, 4.5.
So you've been together for 4.5 years, and he bought you a car, or he bought himself a car, and you guys kind of
That's
share.
my car.
Did he
Yeah,
buy
if you
it?
look up the fucking lights, that's my car.
He bought it for you?
Well, not really. It's in my name. It's
Okay.
all in my name.
Okay.
He put down the down payment.
So he helped you.
Yeah, but it's my car.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good, right?
Yeah. So what happened to your
He
face?
brought her a damn car, boy. Yeah, that's his boo right there.
Look, you got a perfect handprint
Good luck
on
with
your
that.
face.
Really?
Perfect.
I'm literally
perfect
perfect.
finger handprint.
I'm so pretty. Are you serious?
I'm not saying that. I'm saying you have a perfect handprint right here. I
Nobody care about that shit.
I'm black. What are you talking about?
That doesn't have anything to do with anything. You could still have a handprint.
Yeah, you are damn near Puerto Rican, light skinned. Come on, you tripping.
Your face.
Can I see?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of it. All right, we turn this way and I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Is that this way?
No. Just like turn to the side so I can get. There you go. Hang on.
Yes, sir.
And then the other side, just so I can.
This side?
Yeah, there you go.
Yes, sir.
To show that there is or is not. This one doesn't look like it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Got a handprint
There's
on your
you
face.
right there. There's like 4 fingers right there. It
Damn.
looks like a perfect smack.
You see my?
Well, that's proof right there that it was involving something domestic, some violence. You know what I mean? A confrontation between the two, because both of them scratched up. They're talking about they was on a boat ride. That don't make no damn sense. But hey, if nobody says anything, I guess they ain't got no big evidence. You know what I'm saying? They have no proof.
It's not a tattoo. Those are.
No, it's not a tattoo.
Man, I'm not trying to be rude to you. I've been a sheriff 20 years. I'm not an expert, but I know what it looks like when somebody's been smacked.
We're engaged.
Okay, that doesn't have anything to. I didn't ask anything about that.
We're engaged.
Real.
So what happened to your face and what happened to him? Because he's covered in injuries too.
He's covered in injuries?
Yes, he's got a scratch on his neck, on his
That's
chest,
insane.
on
I
his
don't know why he's
forehead.
covered in injuries. We're engaged.
Would it surprise you that if he said you attacked him?
He said I attacked him? Well, he
But
didn't say that, but it would surprise me if he did.
It would surprise you, that?
It actually would. You
Okay.
could actually put my hands behind my back if he said
I'm not asking you
I know
that,
he
ma'am.
didn't say that.
I'm talking
Hey,
to
baby.
you.
She knew that he wouldn't say that. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, listen. I got a warrant in Atlanta. You
Yeah,
can say
I
that he
saw
said that, but I know he didn't say that. So
I said, would it shock you if he said that?
it would absolutely shock me because I know my man didn't
Okay,
say
so would
that.
it shock you that the... Can I talk to you real quick?
It would absolutely shock me because I know my man didn't say that.
Would it shock you if the 911 caller said that he observed him hitting you in the car?
He didn't say that.
The 911 caller did say
Okay,
that.
well, absolutely. It would shock
Did
me
he
because
hit you?
he did not
He did not
shock
hit
me.
you. I'm
We
not
are-
saying he shocked you.
He did not hit me at all. I
Okay.
did not hit him. We did not hit each other. We've been together for 3.5
Lady, you lying because you got 4 fingerprints in your face.
No one
Jesus.
shocked anyone. It would observe me if anyone said anyone hit anyone because no one hit anyone. That's all I'm saying. So if you want to arrest me right now,
I'm not arresting you. I'm just asking
yes,
you a question.
sir.
And they was begging to
No,
get
I didn't.
arrested. Like they ain't gonna cry or feel bad when they in back in that damn cruiser. Girl, shut up.
That's all I gotta say because I really have to go home. Because no one except anyone. He didn't hit me. I didn't hit him. That's all I gotta say.
That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say.
Hello, Rico. And I'm actually not scared of you guys arresting me, so you guys can let him go. You can arrest me in this car, and we can take me wherever you're going. I don't give a fuck. Never cared. He's looking back, he's smiling. I don't care. Go ahead.
All right, one
Go
second.
home.
She better be able to live to those words.
Bye-bye.
I have a feeling the way that officer coming at her, he wanted her, so shit talking ass.
Aggravated assault. You didn't know.
Yeah, I'm glad you're proud of that. All right, I'm gonna photograph your injuries real quick.
She said she got an award for
Say again?
an assault.
You have several injuries.
Wow.
You have
Not both. But not.
regardless. I need to photograph them.
No problem.
All right.
So,
So look straight ahead. All right, you don't look like you've been drinking or anything, so. I mean, at this point, nobody's alleging anything. I mean, I got her for running across the street naked. I can arrest her for that. So let me go research something, and she'll probably be toting that. So if she wants to get an attitude, then she can take the ride. Her mouth will get her in trouble, and then she can go back to Atlanta and talk shit.
I got a
See?
warrant for aggravated assault in Atlanta because I.
We don't care about that.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, it's not extraditable, but I'm just letting them know before they go back and check that because they're looking and they're like, oh, this is that. Okay, they can arrest me, but don't arrest him because there's nothing wrong. And that's my car, and I'm saying he has warrants to drive my car. That's my GLC 300, and he has automatically warrants to drive my cars.
why y'all trying to make
We're married. Actually, you just want to see
They
it?
engaged, man. Why y'all trying to make a case out
We're
of
good. We're
It's
good.
not, like I said, I'm not the investigating deputy. I don't know
Right.
What the hell you got to do with this?
No, he is.
Damn.
Okay, he is, but
He's fine.
he's not
actually.
trying to make a case.
He's fine.
We're just trying to.
I don't give
Okay,
a fuck. Look, me.
okay. Were you involved in this in any way?
Yes, he was. He
Okay.
saw everything that happened.
Okay, you're not involved. Please do me a favor. Please step back.
Yeah, get your ass up out of here.
Yes, you please step back. Okay, you have nothing to do with this situation right now. Please step back.
Yeah, oh,
I
sip it.
understand, but you don't have anything to do with the situation right now. So please do me a favor and step back. Okay.
Hey, look, we have the same fucking look.
Okay.
Look at that.
Okay. I listen. I hear you.
All I'm saying is you're over dramatic.
How am I being overdramatic?
Your friends are being over dramatic.
I'm not doing anything, am I?
I released the go.
I'm not doing anything overdramatic, am I? I'm just standing here.
You're telling your friends to do what they're doing.
They're doing their job. That's all
That's
we're
my
doing.
car, and nothing's going on with my car.
Okay.
And he's fine.
Okay.
So
What
let
happened?
him go.
What happened in Georgia? Well, listen, I don't care what happened in Georgia.
What happened in Georgia? You want to know?
Yeah, I'm curious.
My fucking ex was fucking abusive. He was
Okay.
fucking abusive. He was an abusive ass fucking
Okay.
ex. He fucking used to beat me.
Okay.
He used to beat my ass every time we.
So he just wake up out of bed. Hey, it's time to beat you. He just start beating you. Yeah, you ain't do nothing to trigger him to beat you or to defend himself.
Fucking went out anywhere.
Oh, listen to them things no more.
He used to get drunk as fuck.
Look how crazy you acting now.
He used to be
Your credibility is diminished.
like, hey, you're going home with me. Mind you, I used to want to go home with my friends. I'm 19 years old. I love my friends.
Okay.
I used to want to hang out with my friends. He used to beat me and tell me that I'm going home with him.
Okay.
That's what happened in Atlanta.
Okay.
And I left Atlanta and I came to Florida. I came to St. Pete, actually.
Let's put up the crazy.
It's a good listen.
I came to St. Pete, actually.
Listen.
That's what happened.
He's abusive, and it's a good thing you left.
Yeah.
It's a good thing you left.
I
that.
did.
Yeah, that's
I did.
good.
That's what happened.
Listen, that's why.
That's what happened in Georgia.
That's why all I do is I just want.
And
I'm
I
just
relived.
curious.
I fucking fought a man.
I'm just curious.
I fought a
Watch out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then what you was asking for?
That's real. That's real. That's real. Yes, sir.
We'll come talk in a second.
Okay. Yes,
Give him a
sir.
minute.
Nobody wants to actually be arrested.
Arrested for
So please stop acting.
disorderly
I
intox.
understand that. I understand that.
Look at her. With her bitch ass.
You're running across this.
I understand what I'm doing.
Hang on, hang on. Hey, listen, this is not
I understand.
Atlanta, okay?
Please,
You need to
please
calm
don't
down.
fucking- Can I calm down, please, so she doesn't get
Let us do our job.
Jerk away from me.
Alright.
I'm not jerk away from
I
me.
understand.
Taylor.
Okay, you're not going to
Alarico, I understand.
Dog. Every chick I heard of or know whose name is Taylor is batshit crazy.
Yes, sir.
Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Don't you?
Mom.
I understand. I don't give a fuck. We're cool. Yeah. And I don't listen to that fucking car. You're good. We're good. Everyone's good. Good night.
Have a seat, please.
Yes, I will have a seat. Can you turn the air on?
It's
a
on.
little bit more?
She's going for disorderly intox. So she wants to talk shit, and I'll be free too.
We think
No,
something physical happened between them two. but
No,
they're saying-
no,
I'm
we
gonna tell you
was
what happened was he
we were
tried
at
to
the
get her to
beach and
leave
he was
because she
trying
was
to-
doing that.
Right, so I get the
Yeah.
proceeding. I'm talking like in the car because he's got something right here. She's got a little something, but each one of them says nothing happened. So she's
Yeah.
not getting arrested
No,
for
she
domestic.
fell on the
Real-
boat,
I know.
too.
Just
She
real
did.
quick, she's not getting arrested for any of that. She's getting arrested because she's running across the street in public during
Okay.
that. So that's why she's got to get arrested.
Okay.
Yeah, I can.
She fell on a boat and got 4 fingerprints on her face. Man, who y'all fooling? Shut the hell up.
Understand that. And then
He's cool. He's good.
He's good?
Yeah, he's getting
He's free,
released.
he's
So.
free to go. He's not
All right.
thank you guys.
She's got to get.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is
And
her
we
first time
apologize
drinking.
for
She
that.
literally just had a baby 6 weeks
I
ago.
promise you, we tried to do this as amicable as possible, and on top of that,
6 weeks after giving birth, and she already on some dumb shit.
I just didn't want her to
she
talk
starts
on-
talking shit to all of us.
So it's like, now we can't help you. Come on
It's
now.
like
Already
that's
in
we
jail.
tried. I
Right
promise.
now, so she
Yeah,
won't get a
I
resistance
promise
at
you.
that
Yeah, we
point.
tried.
Thank
So,
you guys so much.
Yeah.
Despite her back and forth arguments with deputies, she was arrested on charges of disorderly intoxication. With her warrant listed as non-extraditable, the charges were ultimately dropped after her court appearance. But she
Of
still
course.
walked away with a $450 fine. Do you think justice was served, or should the outcome have been different? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more body cams like this.
Let a man would have ran out across the street with his out. All the kids passing by in the car. You think they would have dropped them charges? Hell no. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right here. For they are the ones who provided this video. Subscribe to them. Check out the other videos they have up there. All right, we would appreciate that. And don't forget about us over here, Logic on Steroids. Subscribe to this channel right here. We're growing. We're gonna be bigger than everything. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'll see y'all later. I got more shit to bring to y'all. Gotcha.